Good morning, class. I hope everybody's day is going good so far. Today we'll be learning about the physical properties of matter. We're going to be distinguishing between liquids, solids, and gases. Who here can tell me what a solid is? Very good, class. As most of you have figured out, solids can be anything from your desk, to even the pencil that you use, to even the foods that we eat or the shoes on our feet.
Which way is wrong? How do I say that I need to move on? You know we had
Now, who can tell me what a liquid is? Very good. As most of you have figured out, liquids can be anything that we drink, from lemonades to even milk, or even the waves in the ocean are made of liquid. Now that we've talked about liquids, who can tell me what a gas is, or what they come from? That's right, gases can come from volcanoes, or even factories, and they are all over our world today. We breathe them in, and they are things such as oxygen or nitrogen. First, we'll talk about solids. Solids have a definite shape, definite volume, and a definite mass. The particles of a solid are very close together and do not move very much but only vibrate. Solids are very organized and they have the most tightly compacted particles. The particles of a solid always know their place. The particles make up a solid are formed in a regular pattern, and while these particles vibrate and move, they do not move about loosely, they remain in formation. However, liquids always take the shape of their container. They do not have a definite shape, it does have a definite volume, and it does have a definite mass. Particles within a liquid are packed together more loosely than solids. They are able to move around the inside of their container, but they stay in the same area as each other. They are able to slide past each other, and liquids are the in-between between the hard solids and the loosely formed gases. Gases, however, do not have a definite shape, do not have an organized volume, and do not have a definite mass. Gas particles are moving around you at all times, and you can't even see them. Gases are the most unorganized of all the physical properties of matter. The particles within gas can drift around freely and do not have to stay within a container, as they are very hard to contain. They are very far apart and do not have a regular formation to stay in. During this video, you will see an ice cube, which is a solid, being melted and transformed into a liquid. Then, eventually, gas will come from the liquid state. With the use of heat, you can change the physical properties of matter relatively easily. When the particles from the solid transform into liquid, the particles are becoming more loosely organized. When they transform into a gas from a liquid, they are becoming even more loosely organized. As you noticed in the video, it transformed from a solid to a liquid into a gas. I hope that y'all have a better understanding of what the physical stages of matter are, and how you can go about manipulating them.
baby. Hey, I just met you.